yung tax collector, hindi lang mga naniningil ng buwis, kundi tayong lahat. Come to think of it, mukhang may mga sala mga tax collector, pero bakit pinalintulan sa lahat, no? Lahat tayo. Bakit kaya? Even if we try to be holy the best way we could, we are still sinful. Great example of sins are lust, no? Ang kahalayan, nandyan yan parati. Pero the best way to overcome lust is to mature. Be better than I was yesterday. No, pakisabi sa mga katabi nyo, you will be better than you are yesterday. Ganyan dapat ang mindset. Hindi porket nakakita ka lang ng babae, wow! No, biglang lalaki ng ulo mo. Gagawan mo na ng mga alien movements. Hindi na. Ultimo, kahit na ganun tayo, even if we are that sinful, the Lord will always listen to our prayers. He will drop everything that He's doing to listen to our prayers. Kahit kung ganong kadumi ang utak natin. You see, when I was studying in psychology, when I was in my college years, in the subject BTS, Understanding the Self, we tend to realize that there is a difference between who we want to be and who we actually are. May pagkakaiba po yun. Our ideal self should be congruent to our actual self. If we want to be holy, then we should act accordingly physically. If our ideal self aims to be intelligent and kind and compassionate, dapat ganun din yung physical movements natin. Ganun na din dapat ang real self natin. Hindi yung I want to be the best boyfriend my girlfriend ever has. That's yun yung ideal self mo. Pero, know what? Pagtingin mo sa real self mo, ay naku, kahala yan. Kada gabi may milagrong nangyayari. Naku, wag na natin alamin. Malaki ang pagkakaiba ng maka-Diyos sa libro at maka-Diyos sa pagpapakatao. No? And that is at least what the Lord is teaching. No? That is at least what the Lord wants to help. Amen.